welcome back again to the second session. Here we have this already discussed 3.12 and 13.1 together. So I have given you these three questions, okay, two from 3.12 and one from 3.13.11, right? These three questions are given to you. So I'm going to recheck. I'm going to check your 3.12 first, and then we are going to draw the square with the diagonal together. Okay, one second. Okay, here. Okay, so Ramla is there with the exercise 3.12 question 7. Here x is equals to 5p and y is equals to 2q. So we get 5p square plus twice of the first and second term plus 2q square. Very good. So we get 25p square plus 20pq plus 4q square. Very good. Your second question is also correct. Okay, now the next copy is of Sheroz. Sheroz, show me the second question, Vijay. Second question. Second question. Yes. Okay, here x is equals to kl and y is equals to mn. Little bit upward. Okay, I can see that. Okay, now I can see. Here I get k square l square plus 2 klmn plus m square n square. Okay, very good. Very properly done by here Sheroz, Ramla. Very good. Now Nuseba is there. So Nuseba, what are you doing with it? You are just sharing your algebra copy with me. This is not the way. You are just sharing your algebra copy with me. I ask you to solve it right now by yourself. Kindly solve it and share it with me. So here we can see Ali's copies on the screen. Very good, Ali. This was exercise 3.10. We get x square plus 7x plus 12. Very good. Now show me. Yes. Here is, we have to find the square. So we get 5p plus 2q whole square, 25p square plus 20pq plus 4q square. Very good. And the second answer is also correct. Very good. So next copy is of Ramla. The students whose works are checked by me, please start the next question. So here is Rida's copy. Very good, Rida. First question is correct. What about second one? Rida, second question? Very good. Second question is also correct. Now let me check. Here Iman is there, here Ali is there, Manahil is there. Quickly. Okay. Here Iman, very good, bete. Turn. Okay. Here both the questions are there and both the answers are correct. Okay, Iman, start the next question, bete. Iman, shabash. Now the next one, Ali and Manahil. Very good, Ali. Ali, we get, acha, Ali, 1 second, bete. You get the, acha, 1 second, Ali, the formula. Take your pencil in your hand. Take your pencil in your hand, bete. The formula is x plus y whole square. So make correction. In the formula, you have written x minus y whole square. So make correction, x plus y whole square. Make correction quickly with the pencil. Better keep your video turned on so that I can make correction in your copy, na? Ali? Okay, so next copy is of Manahil. Ali, just make correction, just look at the copy of Manahil. Okay, Manahil copy is there on the screen. Ali, but your formula is x plus y whole square. So we get x square plus 2xy plus y square. In the solution, all the terms containing the plus sign. Okay, so Manahil, only the is equal to is missing in the last step. Otherwise, it's perfect. Shabash, beti. Show me the second last question. Okay, that's great. 25p square plus 20pq plus 4q square. Very good. Ali, this is clear or not? Okay, here Adan, Rida, Saad, Sumaya, bete, Asya, Jay. Kindly turn on your cameras. Zuhaib, what happened, bete? Halima, turn on your videos right now. Arif, unmute yourself quickly and What happened? Why are you not turning on your cameras? Rida, have you completed it? Yes, Rida. Okay, show me your work. But keep your videos on. It doesn't matter if you are completing your work. I just want to check it out that how you are completing your work. Is there any difficulty you are facing? You can just share it with me on the spot. ठीक है ना? Show me your work. Yes. So 1 second. Keep your copy stationary at one point. Just fix it at one point so that I can check your copy properly. Okay. So here we get 25p square plus 20pq, 4q square. Next question. Next question. Okay. Very good. This is the correct answer. Rida, have you started the next question? Have you started the next question? Okay, you have written the question. Very good. So we are going to solve this question together. Okay, Asia's camera finally. She has turned on her camera. Beta Asia, keep your videos turned on. Very good. Both the answers are correct. Asia, can you show me exercise 13.1 question 11? Have you started it? Have you started that question? Ali? Ali, you have done the work? Ali? Done? Very good. Okay, Sheroz. Okay. We have just written the question. Okay, quickly start the question, beta, everybody. Here, Sanya, what happened? Students, I want you all to turn on your cameras right now, quickly. Otherwise, I will not mark your attendance. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm not going to mark your attendance if you are not going to turn on your videos right now. Okay, turn on your videos. Okay, quickly turn on your videos. So, let's start question number 11. For that question, I am going to solve question 12 for you. ठीक है? Step by step you can check that how can we solve. Okay, step by step you can check out that how can we solve the question. If it's not clear to you, you can, if the diagonal question is not clear, the construction, if it is not clear, you can check out my work that how can we construct a square. 1 second. So here the question is construct a square ABCD given that I have selected question 12. Okay, what you have to do, you have to do question 11. Okay, I have selected question 12 to explain you. So here construct a square ABCD given that its diagonal is measurement AC is equals to 7.5 centimeter. Write briefly its steps of construction. But first of all we have to write given. What is given in this question? What is given? It is given that in a square, what is the square given? ABCD, a square ABCD. Diagonal is given, that is measurement AC. You can see that opposite vertices are there, it's a diagonal, 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now what is required over here? What is required? You have to write down the heading of required. What is required here? Required is we have to construct. Okay, to construct a square ABCD. Okay, we have to construct a square ABCD, right? Now, steps of construction. Before writing the steps of constructions, we have to construct a rough sketch. And then we have to draw the proper diagram. But for the rough sketch, what is mentioned? AC is there. Okay, first of all we have to draw the line segment AC. Okay, if I write B over there, Ramla, if I write B over there, my question will be wrong. I'll get 0 if I write B over here because it's a diagonal given to you. So I have to draw measurement AC first, okay, and then I have to draw a right bisector over there. I have to draw the right bisector over here between the center of my diagram. I have to draw the right bisector in this way, right? And this is a straight line, okay, and it intersect at point O. Now with the measurement OA या फिर OC, I have to draw two arcs on EF to get B and D, right? And then finally I have to join A to B, C to B, right, and C to D and D to A. In this way I can this is a rough sketch. Now finally we are able to construct a square properly. First what we have to do, bete, first of all we have to draw a line segment of 7.5 centimeter. Now where is 7.5, bete? Here 7.5 is like this. Here mark the 7.5 and draw the measurement. Here draw the line 7.5 centimeter like this, okay. This is 7.5 centimeter. So this is your A and this is your C, and write down 7.5 centimeter, right? 7.5 centimeter over there, okay. First of all, draw the diagonal of measurement 7.5. Draw the diagonal AC of 7.5 centimeter. Now what we have to do, bete, we have to fix the pencil in the compass in a way that the level of the pencil and the compass needle must be at same, okay. The level must be same. Now what we have to do, we have to put the compass here at C. Open the compass more than half. Open the compass more than half of this line segment AC, and I have to draw two arcs, one upward, one downward, one upward, one downward, okay. Then I have to put at A. What I have to do, we have to put the compass at A with the same measurement. I have to put it at A, okay. Now draw two more arcs, okay, two more arcs which intersects the first two arcs at these points, okay. First of all we have to open the compass more than half and we have to put at C. We have to draw two arcs, one upward, one downward. Then we have to put it at A and we have to make two arcs, one upward, one downward. Clear everybody? Now what we have to do, bete, we have to join these two intersecting points, this intersecting point and this intersecting point, okay. First just put the pencil at these intersecting point like this, and then draw what is this? It's a straight line. It's a straight line. Why it's a straight line? Because it can extend indefinitely in both the direction. So I am going to give the name EF, and I have drawn this bisector which intersect AC at point O. I have drawn the bisector. What I have done, I have drawn the bisector EF which intersect AC at point O, okay. I have drawn the bisector EF, okay. I have drawn, what kind of bisector is this? This is a right bisector. This is a right bisector which intersect AC at point O. Where it is going to be intersected? It is going to be intersected at point O. So what I have done, I have drawn the right bisector AC which intersect right bisector EF which intersect it at point O. So step number 1 is, first write down the steps of construction. In the step of construction, number 1 is draw measurement AC is equals to 7.5 centimeter, right? Now number 2, draw what we have done, we have drawn EF. Okay, draw EF, right bisector, right bisector of AC intersecting it at point O, Now bete, what we have to do over here? This is a straight line, so I have to draw the straight line over here. Okay, draw EF straight line, the right bisector of AC. This is a line segment intersecting it at point O. Now what I have to do in my construction, I want here B and D here. I want here B and D over here. Okay, now how can I get B and D? Bete, I have to put the compass. Now look at the diagram. I have to put the compass here at the point O. Okay, here at the point O, and I have to open the compass O till A or O till C. Okay, with the measurement O till A, look, O till A or O till C. Okay, with the measurement O till A or O till C, here with the measurement O till A or O till C. Okay, the measurements, you can see that the measurements are same. If I put the compass on A and if I check that OA and OC, they both are same because I have drawn the right bisector. So with the measurement OA or OC, I have to put the compass at O. I have to put the compass at O, and I have to draw two arcs. I have to draw two arcs which intersect E and F. I have to make two arcs. One upward, one downward. Okay, I have to make two arcs on EF, one upward and one downward, and I can here mention the name of these arcs. The name of these arc here, the first arc here which intersect EF, this point is called B. This point is called B, right? Now here where this intersecting arc meets, this arc intersect at EF, this point where it intersect, this is called what? This is called D. This point is called D. Only this point is D. Bete, forget these two arcs which we have drawn for the right bisector. Okay, don't get confused. Just forget these two arcs. Just remember what you have done, what you have drawn right now by putting the compass at O. Okay, by putting the compass at O, you have drawn two arcs. You get two arcs at EF, that is B and D, right? Okay, now what we have to do? Join A to B. Okay, join A to B, B to C, right? C to D and D to A. D to A. Okay, A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A. Now here you can see the square in this way. Here AB, BC, CD and DE. Here you get the square like this. Just look at this square. Okay, so here is the construction of square when the diagonal is given to you. Okay, now you can check your diagram if you have drawn the construction which I have given you, question number 11. In question number 11, what you have to do, you have to construct, one second, you have to construct a square. You have to construct a square PQRS with the measurement, with the diagonal is equals to 8 centimeter. And finally you can check your diagram by putting the scale on AB. Your AB must be equal to your BC. Okay, your AB must be equal to your BC, and your CD must be your all the segments are equal, Okay, it's approximately the whole AB, BC, CD and DA, they are equal to 5.1 centimeter. That means your diagram is correct. Okay, your AB, BC, CD and DA must be equal because it's a square. Okay, all the line segments must be equal. Now in the step number 3 and 4, what I have to write? Okay, in step number 3, beta, what we did OS center with radius OA. Okay, it's a line segment, or OC या OA या OC with the measurement either OA or OC. Draw arcs which intersect EF at B and D. Okay, क्या किया हमने? OS center with radius OC or OA, OC and OA. Draw arc which intersect EF at B and D. Right? Now, finally, join A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A. Okay, so A, B, C, D is our required square. So we get the required square, right? We get the required square. So in this way we can construct a square. Now I want you all to turn all your videos quickly. I have explained you each and everything. Now you have to show me your work. Raise your hand and show me your copies quickly. Hamda bete, quickly turn on your camera. Hamda, who is this Hamda? Everybody turn on your camera. Afra, where? Bete, turn on your camera and show me the word. Ali, Zohaib Irfan, Jay Kumar, Halima, Abdullah, Arib. Yes, here first copy. Here Sheroz is showing us the first copy right now. Okay, so we get here what is given. Achha, let me check the given. PQRS, PR, excellent. That what I want to check. देखिए, in this question it's not mentioned that which diagonal is given. Okay, in question number 11 it's not mentioned that PR is given, but it's understood that opposite vertices are PR, right? So 8 centimeter is there. Now first show me the construction. Sheroz, first show me the construction. Okay, now we get Beta, you have written PC, I think. It's PR or PC, it's not visible. You have written PQ, it's wrong. Beta, if you have written in the given that PR is equals to 8 centimeter, then we have to write PR, right? I can't see it, what you have written. Once again, let me unmute you. Yes, unmute yourself quickly. Okay, just complete it quickly and show me your copy. Quickly complete it. Okay, Ali, please beta, show your copy to me. You are sitting. Quickly show me your copy. Okay, here Ramla is showing her work. Ali, show me your work quickly. Acha, Ramla, just keep your copy closer to the camera. closer, more closer. Now we get PR. Very good. PR is equals to 8 centimeter, and very good, she has drawn a right bisector TU. Okay, okay, you have drawn the right bisector TU. Okay, now you have drawn PQ, QR, RS and SP. Bete, all the measurements are of 5.6 centimeter, Ramla. That's great. That means you have drawn perfectly. Can you show me the steps of construction, students? Just check out this work. In this way we can complete the diagram. Okay, just everybody look at the work. More closer bete. Okay, so the diagonal is PR is equals to 8 centimeter. Bete, we can also take QS also a diagonal है ना. So draw PR is equals to 8 centimeter. Draw TU, the right bisector of PR. Excellent, intersecting it at point O. Very good. Now O is center with radius OPOR. Draw, okay, draw an arc. अच्छा, draw arcs. एक आर्क नहीं ड्रॉ किया हमने, ड्रॉ आर्क्स, हमने 2 आर्क ड्रॉ किए हैं. तो ड्रॉ आर्क्स इंटरसेक्टिंग TU एट Q and S. Very good. So join P to Q, Q to R, P to S and R to S. P to S, P to S and R to S. Very good. So PQRS is our required square. Now, very good, Ramla. Now next copy here, Ali. Ali, jaldi bete, quickly. Ali, you are having problem. You have not drawn it. One second, unmute yourself. I think you are having a problem. Yes.
बाइसेक्टर के आगे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कैसे वो ड्रॉ करनी है.
Okay, okay, one second, Ali. Okay, keep your audio turned on. Okay, one second, let me tell you. Now can you see my video? Can you see my video, Ali? No, miss? Can you see the video right now, Ali? Unmute yourself, bete, jaldi se. Acha, Ali, what we have to do, dekhen. Look at the diagram. Bete, when you draw the right bisector here, okay? When you draw the right bisector EF, then what you have to do? You have to put the compass at O. Okay? कहाँ पे compass रखेंगे? At O. Okay. Now listen to me. We have to put the compass at O, right? And we have to open it till at A. Okay? O पे रख के we have to open the compass till A, O till A या फिर O till C, because both the measurements are same. Now we have to draw 2 arcs, one upward and one downward. Okay? Is it clear now? One upward, one downward, and then this is your B and D, and according to your figure you are having PR, so this is your Q and this is your S. Now is it clear?
किताब के मतलब नीचे आ रही है.
Sorry, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, bete. It can be possible that your arc is going to be drawn over here. It can be possible that यहीं पे आपका draw हो जाए. It doesn't matter. Just draw it. Quickly draw it. Okay? Just draw it quickly. Draw it and just name them Q and S. Name them Q and S. Yes, a student, if you are having any query, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay? Done, Ali? Okay, so here we can see the copy of Shahroz on the screen. Once again, let me stop my video. Let me remove my video over here. Ali, quickly complete it and just inform me after completing it. Okay, so we get P, R, Q and S. Very good. But here you have mentioned the right bisector S or T. Very good. Very good. Everything is clear, Shahroz? Shahroz, everything is clear? Okay, okay, Shahroz, that's great. Now let me check Rida's copy. Rida, very good. Bete, but I have given you question number 11. Question number 11 is of 8 centimeter and you have mentioned here in the steps of construction 7.5. Acha, show me the diagram. Quickly show me the diagram. Okay, this is P, R, Q and S. Can you put the scale on PR? Very good. It seems correct. बिल्कुल सही लगती है बेटे, शाबाश. Very good. Show me PR of 8 centimeter. बेटे, is it of 8 centimeter or 7.5? Rida, is it of 8 centimeter or 7.5? Unmute yourself, jaldi se. Yes, bete. I think you have drawn 7.5 centimeter. Okay, I think you have just drawn the diagram which with the data of 7.5 centimeter. Am I right? है ना? You have to draw first line segment of 8 centimeter. ठीक है? You have to draw the line segment of 8 centimeter. 7.5 तो मैंने question 12 से draw की थी. ठीक है? Now the next copy, Iman, Hania, bete jaldi. Here Manahil is there. Quickly, we have to start the objective as well. Wow, just look at the diagram. What a clear diagram is there. Manahil, can you put the scale on 8 centimeter PR? Manahil? Okay. अच्छा Manahil, 1 second बेटे. अच्छा, look at your x and y. बेटे, x and y, there must be arrows over there. Okay, there must be arrows because it's a straight line. Okay, very good. Now next copy is of Hania. Hania, बेटे, quickly show me your copy. Shabash. Hania's copy is on the screen. P, Q, R, S. Here we get E, F. Very good. Everything is perfectly done. Show me the steps of construction, Hania. Show me the steps of construction. Very good, Hania. Everything is correct. Here I was checking the copy of Manahil's steps of construction. Okay, Manahil's copy. Bete Manahil, you have drawn in the second step again you have written draw x, y. ठीक है, इसमें आपने arrows यहाँ पे भी नहीं लगाए हैं, तो kindly put the arrows over there. X, Y arrows. Okay, next copy, Iman Rashid. Okay, Iman. Okay, Iman, show me your diagram. Show me the construction. Okay, this is we get P, R, Q and S. Very good. Everything is correct, I think. Iman, bete, your P, Q, R all are equal. Yes or no? All the measurements are equal. That means your construction is correct. Shabash. Now here I have checked all the copies of the students who have turned on their videos, but this is so bad that Sania, Anam, Saad, Sumayya, Arif, Abdullah, Halima, Afra and Ali, they are not turning on their cameras right now. So here is Asia's copy. We have already checked. Asia, show me the steps of construction, bete. Very good. That's great. Draw the diagonal. Mention the name. The diagonal name is PR. ठीक है? Mention the name over there. Otherwise, everything is correct. ठीक है? Now, students, 4 minutes are left. Complete your work quickly, and I am going to show you that what are going to be the objectives for today. So there are 3-4 objectives on your screen. Okay, I will unmute you to give me the response. Okay, just read all the MCQs first. Okay, Ali, have you completed the question or you are having any problem more? Students, kindly first in the chat box mention your name properly, and if you are having any problem you can ask me over there. Acha, one more thing that today you are going to have your mock number 1, let me tell you one thing बेटे, it can be possible कि 1-2 मिनट का गैप अगर आ जाता है कि आपकी घड़ी के हिसाब से 12:31 हो रहे हैं या 12:32 हो रहे हैं, तो डोंट बी वरीड अबाउट दैट, ठीक है। ऐसा ना हो कि आप लोग बहुत परेशान हो क्लासरूम पे, आप लोग बार बार टेंशन में लिखते जाएं कि मिस वी कांट सी द फॉर्म 1, फॉर्म 2, वी कांट सी द फॉर्म 2, इट विल बी अपलोडेड, ओके। 1-2 मिनट का अगर गैप आ रहा है, इट डजेंट मैटर, मैं बता रही हूँ कि यू आर गोइंग टू हैव योर फॉर्म नंबर 1 एट 1 सेकेंड, ओके। हाँ, look at the screen. Your form number 1 today is of 4 marks. It will be of 10 minutes, ठीक है। 12:30 से 12:40 तक आपके पास फॉर्म 1 आएगा। फॉर्म नंबर 2 is of true false, 3 marks का होगा, जो कि 5 minutes 12:40 till 45 आएगा। Then form number 3 will be of 10 minutes 12:45 till 12:55 तक। Then form number 5 will be of 5 minutes and it will be uploaded at 12:55 till 1, ठीक है। तो परेशान मत होइएगा, इट विल बी अपलोडेड प्रॉपरली। 1-2 मिनट का गैप आता है, डजेंट मैटर, यू विल हैव इनफ टाइम टू कंप्लीट इट, ठीक है। बहुत टाइम होगा आपके पास, यू कैन कंप्लीट इट प्रॉपरली, ओके। नाउ so where were we were discussing the questions. Now one by one I'm going to unmute Nuseba. Okay, Nuseba is there. Nuseba, number 1, ratio is a comparison of two number of quantity, okay, or quantities of dash kind. Nuseba, different or same? Different or same? Nuseba answer नहीं दे रही हैं आप। Okay, next one is Iman. Okay, Iman, can you give me the answer? Quickly unmute yourself, bete.
Miss, same kind.
Same kind, very good. Same kind, very good. Rida Rahim, second question is for you. The first term in the ratio is called dash.
Antecedent.
Antecedent, very good. Now the next question is for here Hania. Hania, bete, if ₹10 is going to be divided equally between two children, then the ratio will be what?
1/2.
Are you sure? Equally, we are going to divide it equally. Yes, Sheroz. Yes, Ali. Give me the answer.
Like 1/1.
1 by?
1.
Very good, 1 by 1. And what about the last one? What about the last one? The first children get the twice, then the second one. So the
2/1.
2:1. Very good. So more questions are left. Inshallah, we will continue these questions